There we go. I'm not sure the it's why blue. Have the white balance off. Okay, so what I do is for the next stops, I get them in order. So it's an envelope. So I look for 217. I have to get them in order before the next stop. Normally I just put them on the seat, but today I have my backpack. So 217. If I don't have a lot of packages, I'll just put them on the seat. There's 217 right here. So I'm gonna move my backpack. I'm just gonna put that shit on the floor. This is the next stop. So I got a bunch of stops. So it's 218. When they say not in box, it just means like one of the loose packages. I got a trolley, but I don't know how to work that shit. Another thing too, like I always keep the phone plugged in because this shit dies so quick. And the GPS, it takes a while, so. Oh, 1, 3. Sometimes, depending on what state you are, they have these long ass fucking driveways.
Arrive at the destination on your left.
17, 18. And one thing I hate, like when I'm delivering packages, like the ones who wait outside, the ones who won't let you take the picture instead. If they're already outside, then yeah, I mean the ones who just wait. And they don't teach you shit. They don't teach you, like, what the fuck is one day of training? Hello.
They're friendly. Hey, Fonzie, they're friendly.
Hello.
Oh, sorry. We bark a lot.
Hi. I know, I'm sorry. I miss working with dogs.
We're like, come on. Oh, what's the word?
Sorry.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a good day.
Come on, thanks. You too. It's cold here. Zeus. Come on, guys.
Zeus. Bye. I miss working with dogs.
They're sweet. Zeus, you little rat.
Mix.
That one's a Shih Tzu mix. The other one's just a Shih Tzu. Zeus, come here, Zeus. What do you think you're doing, buddy?
Hi.
You're all by yourself.
Oh, you're so lucky. I can't have dogs.
Oh no!
Yeah, my mom's allergic, and I have to take care of her.
You know, I'm allergic to dogs too. But these, they don't shed, and I don't know. My allergist says there's no such thing as a hypoallergenic dog, but you know.
Yes. See, we tried everything. Poodles.
Oh yeah.
The hairless.
Cats I'm allergic to big time, but these guys, they don't seem to bother me. I don't know. Maybe they do. Come here. Hey, treat.
Treat that.
Yeah,
Magic fruit.
All right.
Thank you. Have a good day. And sometimes you get good customers like that. Bro, I love dogs. I do miss working with dogs. Oh yeah, sometimes the inside don't work. So what you gotta do is do outside. It sucks. But yeah. Like I said, it would help so much if people would put addresses on their fucking house, but people don't. So this is a large package. Oh yeah, and it'll say not in a bag. That pretty much just means it's not in one of these totes. So now I gotta find it. So I didn't have time to put everything in order because some of this shit was heavy. Yeah, if like you stop too long, like they'll call you or text you. Like, bro, sometimes we're like organizing shit, dog. And also too, like you'll have people where you have a lot of boxes and shit, You going for a business? Like, bruh, they'll just fucking watch you. Won't hold the door or anything. Just sit up there and let you fucking struggle. Especially like the days you don't have a trolley. Wanted to hear me talking, but yesterday I had a white van. This lady, bro, even like you have Amazon shit on in a van or whatever, like, not to sound like an ass, but like a lot of white people still thinking like you're gonna steal. They be popping their locks and shit. Like, bitch, I'm on a job, I'm working. Why the fuck would I steal your shit? You racist piece of shit. Thinks every fucking black person stealing shit. That shit gets on my nerves. That's why I think racism will never fucking change, because of people like that. I bet you today we're not gonna see no modified cars. Oh, and you also got dumbass people who like speed and shit. You can clearly see the van. Common sense people fucking get out the van. So why the fuck you speed? Didn't they speed close as shit to the fucking door? I'm sorry if I'm complaining, but bro, like, people, I just hate, like, Capricorns, like, we hate dumb people who don't use common sense. Like, we hate that shit. Like, use common sense, bitch. I delivered to this house before. I've been to this house before. I delivered here. That lady's cool as fuck too. Bro, I was talking to some guy. I wish I had my GoPro yesterday. I was talking to some guy. He got like fucking three classic cars. Bro, he said he be going to meets. I wish I had like business cards. I'm doing everything myself. I'm really wondering that. It's fucking hot. Cause I'm about to stop this before I'm stopping listening to my music. But the car, something pops up, then I hit record. After you're done with the boxes, take this, get this, and go. Just put it in here. Anytime you're done with the bags, you have more space.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.